Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on a front load Samsung washer. My customers complain is that it makes a lot of noise when it goes to the full spin. So here's the model. Here's the model number. And this is how it looks from inside. You open the door, check the gasket. I can already see pieces of rubber pieces are coming out. There's a big scratch and cut in here. This indicates we have problem with the balance. It doesn't mean we have problem with the balance, it means that the drum is out of balance. So what you can do, put your hand on this lip or on the top lip and move it back and forth, so like this. See this? The drum should not lift with your hand back and forth like that. So it looks we have big problem here. Our bearing is broken on this unit, and it's expensive fix. It's not 100% that the bearing is broken actually. Not only the bearing is broken, but the flange is broken too. This unit was having problem with not draining too, because I ran it 2 minutes ago. It was full of water when I opened the door. It was not so much full, but a little bit full that I can open the door. Otherwise, if the washer has too much water, you cannot open the door. Then you have to drain it manually from here, or use a vacuum to take that hose out that comes from the back of the washer and vacuum it out, and you would be able to open the door. So for now, this washer is not under warranty, and the customer is not gonna pay $400 to fix this, so it just goes straight to the scrap.